Sit back and relax. Let go of all tension. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. As we meditate, let the sounds of nature guide you to a place of calm and inner peace. Start by becoming aware of your body. Feel the weight of your body on the earth beneath you. Feel stable and supported. Let your breath breathe itself. With each inhale, imagine you're breathing in fresh air. With each exhale, let go of all worries and distractions and be present. Bring your awareness to your feet. Relax them and let them sink into the ground. Move up to your legs. Soften any tension. Scan through your body, hips, lower back, chest. Soften your shoulders, arms, and hands. Finally, relax your neck and face. Feel with each breath your body gets lighter, more relaxed. You are grounded and connected to the earth. Now imagine yourself walking along a forest path. The ground beneath you is soft and the air is fresh. Birds are singing softly in the distance, and you hear the leaves rustling in the wind. As you walk, you feel a deep connection to the natural world. Let the sounds and sights around you calm your mind. Breathe in the fresh air and breathe out stress and tension. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering through your nose, cool and refreshing, and leaving through your mouth, warm and soothing. Take a few moments to just follow your breath. With each inhale, feel yourself becoming more present, and with each exhale, feel any remaining tension melt away. Let the natural rhythm of your breath guide you deeper into relaxation. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to appreciate what you've created. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently wake up your body. When you're ready, open your eyes. Feeling relaxed and grounded. Enjoy. Namaste.